Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be talking about two areas that just got deleted from Prodigy, so let's get into the video. Alright, so two areas were deleted from Prodigy, or they have been deleted, and we're just now getting confirmation that they're being deleted for good. So we are going to go ahead and talk about them. So the two areas that have been deleted are the Arena and Harmony Island. If we go into the Prodigy wiki, it says farewell to Harmony Island and Arena, and then they have an email that says, hey there, thank you for contacting Prodigy customer support. We'd be happy to help. As Prodigy builds and rolls out new features like the recent battle update, we sometimes turn off some areas that aren't as popular among students. In this case, Harmony Island and Arena have been permanently disabled and Crystal Caverns temporarily turned off while our team works to bring the update to this area. We appreciate this can be disappointing to some users, however, it's necessary while our team focuses on building even more exciting content and features to make learning math as fun as possible. With this said, we're always listening to our users. If you have any feedback on these decisions, please let us know and we'd be happy to pass it along to our developing team. So yeah. So as you saw in that, Harmony Island and the Arena are gone. At least we're still going to get Crystal Caverns, but it's temporarily disabled like the Dark Tower was. Not sure why it's taking longer for Crystal Caverns. Maybe it has to do with the boss battles. But I do have one really big problem with this decision, and I think that people are going to agree with me. They should have deleted Tower Town. Who uses this? Literally no one. I can guarantee you that that is the most unused area in Prodigy. It doesn't help you progress in the game at all. It doesn't even give you levels or do anything. You can't even get anything from it. And as for Harmony Island and the Arena not being played, that is again Prodigy's fault. Prodigy on the Arena seasons were like 120 days long, which is way too much time. Of course, people aren't going to be playing after the first month or two because everybody's already completed it, so there's no reason for anyone to play it. Therefore, they're not going to have anyone playing it for that part, and that's why they probably think that no one plays it. And then Harmony Island, they didn't update it at all. Once you complete it, there was no reason to come back because the potions really didn't do anything. Because you could only use them in Harmony, I'm pretty sure. Or in the Arena. And they didn't add any items or buddies for you to get that would make people want to come back. So yeah. As I said before, at least they're not deleting Crystal Caverns because that is really fun, and there is a video that I want to do with that. I'm just waiting for it to come out, so if you want to see that, make sure to subscribe so that you will get to see it when it comes out. Another thing that I forgot to mention about the Arena is that after the third season, they just stopped putting effort into them. Like before, there was reason to keep playing it because there was the armor, which was legendary. Like after the third, there was no reason to even play the Arena. Let's see, there were buddies. The first Arena season had a cloud, which a lot of people liked. So there were just a bunch more reasons to play the Arena in the first 3 seasons than in the final 2 seasons. Anyways, I think that's all I have to say, so that's going to go ahead and end up the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and bye.